Hey yo guys, welcome back to my channel. This day number 30 of speaking challenge. I will speak every day until get fluency. And have you checked my previous video, guys, about dormitory room tour? How was it? What's your opinion? Share in comments and check this out, obviously. So I decided today to get back to my normal format, IELTS speaking questions, just to practice my English, to prepare for the future exam. Yeah, guys, today's topic for discussion is health. First question is describe something healthy you enjoy doing. I would like to share with you guys my several good habits, what really exists, but honestly I'm not always able to implement this in my life because of some reasons I will explain. So the first, my good habits, what I really used to do often, for example in the summer or when a good weather outside, is running in the morning. Yeah, I totally enjoy this, and you probably know that I used to be a professional sportsman, karateka professional, yeah. And when I was in sports, I had to run in the morning just to maintain my to keep fit and to be a good sportsman. But even after I left professional sports, I wasn't gonna forget about this habit, and I used to run in the morning. In the summer I totally enjoy, for example, when I wake up approximately at 8 or 9 a.m. and go out the house, probably 3 kilometers of running, just not really fast pace, just a comfortable pace, and to enjoy the weather, to feel this world, just to clear my mind, not to go to phone and scroll for the first hour when I wake up. And not I better spend this time with the nature, just running, and with my thoughts. Mostly it can help me to maintain my good state of mind. Yeah, definitely. But unfortunately in Russians winter is awful when it's minus 10 or minus 15 degrees and it's dark outside. You wake up at 8 a.m. and it's so dark, you have no any desire to go out and spend this hour running. But in the summer, no problem. Because of this, I'm planning to live in the future somewhere in a tropical climate without winter, to have ability run every single day. How can people improve their health? I know several just basic rules to maintain good state of your health or to improve your health in several areas of this life. And first of all, I'd like to mention the sleep, enough hours of sleep, because this is just a science research that for people ideal to get 8 hours of sleep every single day. The second, I tend to the idea that we need to control our meals, our food, what we eat, because this is really important. For example, if you will eat only fast foods, bad food, only sweets like bakery, chocolates, drink only soda, you definitely will destroy your health. I stick to this idea. I try not to eat fast foods really often. Obviously, sometimes I can afford myself to eat and chocolate and bakery and fast food and drink soda, but I'm trying to eat it as rarely as possible. Anyway, my favorite food is meat. In any versions is meat with some garnish like potato or rice or buckwheat or something like this. What are some popular ways to keep fit in your country? 100%, I'm sure I'm saying the most popular is go to fitness club, standard fitness club, when everyone, even who's never been in sports, who have no idea what to do, they go there and spend time running this truck, running machine. What can we do? Like in the pull-up bars maybe, but mostly they just keep this like a big. Sorry, I don't have this vocabulary in English. Штанга. Barbell. Barbell?
Barbell.
Barbell. They will lift the barbell in any variations. Yes, this is the classic. This is not the best way to keep fit for me personally, because I prefer something more intensive and more fun, like a boxing. Because I hate fitness clubs. This is boring for me. This is not kind of exercise what I love. I love more running, fighting, something other exercises when you need to think. Maybe when during your fight you have to think, not to miss the hits. Or play football outside, or do in the pull-up bars exercise, but outside by myself, without this stupid fitness without this fitness coaches, because not only one bar and that's enough for me. That's enough. Do you think there will be more or less illness in the future? Actually, I've never heard a statistic about the trends in modern world, what kind of illnesses, but I can suppose this can be illness probably from our phones and from our lifestyle, when people mostly started spending time in the houses, just in a chair, in this position, in a sitting position. It can illness with the eyes, with the back, with something, or with the mental health, if people don't get enough talking to friends, talking to real people. Yeah. About other, sorry, I'm not a doctor, I'm not into medicine theme, so I can claim something with 100% confidence. Yeah. This kind of question was today about health theme. It wasn't first part in IELTS, it was second and third parts. It's more complicated and more deep questions for considering. Thank you for being here, guys. Let's go continue learning languages and continue doing this challenge. IELTS speaking every single day. Bye bye.